Awardees Teachers Association. President, Nellore District and Awardees Teachers Association. He is the President of Nellore District Awardees Teachers Association and he is the Chairman of Alumni Society STPM Government Institute of Advanced Studies in Education of Nellore. And I have been said before the dawn and the zenith. The dawn. The dawn is described about his father and the zenith is described about his mother. His father, Yalgudipati Hanumantarao. He is advocate, author, actor and astrologer. And his centenary birth anniversary year 1998. And his mother Yalgudipati Rajalakshmi 1903 to 1997. And he have been described about his mother as God. He have been said a derivation of God in 3 sentences. Generator of integrity, operator of punctuality, destroyer of impracticability. And let me describe about this eternal calendar. And he have been given to Collector Sri M.V. Sheshagiri Babu Garu IAS. And eternal calendar is have been given to M.V. Sheshagiri Babu Garu. And he is the person who wrote this eternal calendar and who invented this eternal calendar, and he is the student. And let me describe about his eternal calendar. A calendar, I thought, is a sheet of papers and dates and days. But it contains many pearls and diamonds. If it is your birthday, it is pearl and diamond to your mother and father. So, when we observe 4 calendars of different years in sequence, there of them is next leap year. One is leap year. And normally we think the calendar is of 365 days or 366 days in a leap year. So, see if you want, in 2020, leap year February 29 fell on Saturday. If you see on February 29 Saturday, and if you go to 2024, February 29 falls on Thursday. If you see one day gap have been come, Saturday, Friday. And next, in 2028, Tuesday, Thursday, Tuesday middle, Wednesday have been gone. So next, 2032 leap year, February 29, Sunday. He have been said, it have been Sunday. If you see, one day gap have been 10. And if you see next, 2036, come back. Saturday have been gone and Friday. 6 days. And before how I said February 29th Saturday, of 24th Thursday, 28th Tuesday, 32 Sundays, 36 Friday, 40 Wednesday and 44 Monday. And if you see, again it repeats 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Of 7 into 4. Every leap year contains 20. Every leap year contains 4 years. So 4 into 7. Again it will repeat on Saturday, so that of every 28 years it will repeat the days again. Sunday, Wednesday, Thursday, all it will repeat the same. The calendar year of 1936 will be same in 1964. Let me show that. If you see here, 1935, it is Tuesday. Of 35 plus 28 equal to 1963. So let me see again. In 1963, it is Tuesday. So what he said is right. And if you got only 1 year, it cannot be same. So let me take more years. So 1963. So you got here 1975. Sorry. And 1963 Tuesday. Non-leap year calendar. After 28 years. So 1991. It is Tuesday. And again, if you go to 2019, what is last year recently? Again, it have been fell on Tuesday. If you say only 1 year, it can't be same. So let us see more years again. So 1936 leap year, January 1st, Wednesday. So again, 1964 leap year, it is Wednesday. And say 1992 leap year after 28 years, Wednesday. If you see, 1983 India have been won World Cup. On same day again, in 2011 India have been won World Cup. In 2011, 28 years gap. You can remind like this also. So if you see one thing, January 1st in a leap year is Wednesday. If you see 31st, it is Thursday. But if it is a non-leap year, Tuesday, and 31st is also Tuesday. Thank you. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our Padkala Nanayarao channel. If you have doubts, the cell number is given below. If you want to print this calendar, the PDF also is given below. Thank you.